Hi YouTube, this is OsoX for wasa-air.com, on YouTube at OsoXVids, on Instagram at Quantic Films, and on Facebook at OsoXVids. For contact information, check the description below. To text me, I'll have a number in there. On today's music-related video, we will show you the Bose Waza-Air wireless guitar headphones system. First, we'll be unboxing it. Second, we'll show you how to connect it to your guitar. And third, we'll show you how to connect it, pair it, and use it with your smartphone, in this case an iPhone. It can also be connected to an Android smartphone. Let's get on with it. As always, check the description below for all the timestamps to show you different sections of this video where you can jump to the part you need the most. Okay, so while I unbox it, let me explain to you what the Waza-Air is. What it is a Bluetooth headphone system that emulates you playing the guitar with a physical amp. So it has a gyroscope. Every time you move your head, the sound will move, and it will give you the impression that the amp is in the middle, in front of you. That way you can play your guitar like you weren't using any headphones. You can also place the headphones, or rather you can also play the amp behind you. And you can also use this as Bluetooth headphones, regular Bluetooth headphones, and you can pair it with your phone to get more. It's customizable, so you can change the sound in there and connect it to your guitar all wirelessly via Bluetooth. We just took out the manual, and now we can look at the actual Bluetooth Bose Waza-Air headphones. And it has the Japanese lettering on the headphones, which says Waza, which means technique. You can also see the connection, the buttons, the scroll wheel, the on-off switch, the connection switch. They bend. They have soft material here, which is comfortable. The speakers inside the headphones, the tweeters. It has a black plastic on chrome metal finish. Now let's show you the transmitter, the guitar transmitter. This plug goes to the guitar, standard plug. Next we need to pair it to the headphones, and it will transmit the sound of the guitar to the headphones, or also to the phone and headphones system. Let's take a closer look at the headphones, the detail in it, all the parts, and then we'll show you how to connect it, how to use it, how to use it with your guitar and your smartphone. Let's watch. Alright, so first we're gonna pair this with the transmitter that goes to the guitar. We turn it on with the switch on the left headphone. We plug it in the right headphone, and it's gonna start pairing. This blinking light means pairing. It's gonna get connected anytime now. Let's wait for it. See the lights blinking on both sides, and now it's paired. It's paired with the guitar, basically, with the guitar transmitter. We can plug this into the guitar, and it charges via micro USB. Both of these devices charge via micro USB, not by being connected together. Now we'll go to the phone and then go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and look for Bose Tone Studio. That's the application right there, BTS for Waza Music. Install it. After install, open it. Bose Tone Studio for Waza-Air. It will show us a warning about listening and volume and hearing, and then we'll go into the first step, which is activate the Bluetooth function on the phone without pairing anything. The second step is the Bluetooth MIDI connection. We need to put the headphones into a pairing mode by pressing this toggle, pressing, not moving it up or down, and then tapping here, Waza-Air MIDI. We'll connect, and then the third step is the Waza-Air MIDI Bluetooth connection. which is connected now. We don't need to select any other devices, and we press OK, and then we move on. Alright, so now it's connecting, and now it's connected, and now we can see the different patches by using these buttons on the headphones. You can go up and down of the different patches you select on the you have programmed on the phone. You can go up or down different patches, different registers, let's say, with these two keys, these two buttons. And this is the volume knob. This volume is the guitar volume. You can change them, and you can see them change on the phone itself. Now the guitar amp part, the installing the software and controlling, that's done now. Now if we want to listen to music using the headphones, we go to the settings on the iPhone, we go to Bluetooth. Okay, we have Waza-Air MIDI right now. We need to connect it to Waza-Air audio. For that we need to put the headphones in pairing mode, and then we need to connect it to the phone. So put it in pairing mode, we press this toggle again. We press it longer, like 3 to 5 seconds. We keep pressing on it until it starts blinking or changes the color. Wait for it, and there we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we'll see it under other devices there, Waza-Air audio. That's for audio applications like YouTube or Spotify or music in general. We tap on it, and now it's pairing, it's connected to the Waza-Air audio, to the headphones. But as you can see, the Waza-Air MIDI got disconnected. No worries, we can go back to the application, to the Waza-Air, and then we follow the 3 steps again. We reconnected via Bluetooth MIDI using the application, not settings on the iPhone. It's connected to Waza-Air MIDI, and step 3 is connected to Waza-Air MIDI Bluetooth. We press OK, and then we're ready to go. This is gonna send it to the AirWasa, to the headphones, so we can use the guitar and connect it to the phone and use the programs and all that good stuff. Okay, now we're ready, it's connected, it's ready to be used, and here are the patches where you can program the sound however you like it. You connect this to the guitar, you're able to hear the guitar sound with this binaural sound on the headphones, simulating the amp, the guitar amp. Let's connect it real quick to the guitar, show you how that's done. It has a switch here. When it touches, it turns it on. When we press on it like that, it turns on automatically. And again, you charge it via micro USB, both devices. Now transmitting the sound of the guitar to the headphones, and then the sound can be modified or programmed using the iPhone. The volume goes up, the volume of the guitar. You can change the programs. Then you listen to the sound of the guitar via the speakers on the headphones, the tweeters, right here. Once you put the headphones on, you'll have that cool surround sound sensation of the amp while you play the guitar, like it's in front of you and you can hear more or less of it on the left or right. So that was the Boss Waza-Air wireless guitar headphones system. This was OsoX for WasaXVids.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace.